Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nugget couch. So I just got the Nugget couch. I got 2 of them. I'm going to use it as like a lounging couch. So let's figure this room out first. Okay, so I got my room pretty much ready. I just have to clean my desk off, but I'm going to put the Nugget in now, so let's bring that in. Okay, I got the first one out. It still has to like expand and stuff, but that's it right now. So let's do the other one. So it is done. My camera is about to die, but let me show you. So what it looks like, I have 2 nuggets. This one right here is folded in half and the top is on top of there. And then I'm gonna put these 2 pillows in the playroom in the basement. So yeah, and I'm loving this so much. So go check out the Nugget because I love it. So thanks for watching. Bye.